Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new POWEROWL rechargeable AA and AAA batteries with a fast charger, high capacity nickel metal hydride for the 2800 milliamp Henry AA batteries, and then 4 of the AAA 1000 milliamp Henry. So yeah, by using this rechargeable battery, you are saving our Earth, and it is good for the environment. There's no Hg, Cd, and Pb, so it's good for environment. And now the batteries are pretty expensive, so why not buying this rechargeable and you can keep on using it. And these batteries have explosion proof and leak proof. As you know, all those other batteries are alkaline or heavy-duty batteries, they tend to leaks. And it is a universal compatibility, support most of the digital product, high capacity, long lasting. So unlike other battery charger, this one could support any numbers of the AA or AAA batteries. You don't need to charge 2 batteries at the same time. And it offers smart chip technology. The smart charge function allows the charger to individually charge each battery under the best condition. This extends the battery life and can charge up to 99%. Prevent from short circuit, automatic power off, LED indicator, excellent heat dissipation. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. I'd like to give the shout out to Bella from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys the items. Right here's the product description. And here are the spec. It is made in China. Wow, cool. Got the 4 of the AA's and 4 of the AAA. And they are heavy, which is good. If they are pretty light, that means they have maybe only like a 1500 milliamp. These are the 2800 milliamp. Here the instruction. in many different languages. So this one uses a micro USB to USB type A. Let's go and then test it out. So with the AAA batteries, you need to put on the bottom here, not the top here, okay? See, doesn't fit. So I charge A of this at the same time. It's pretty good. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.